today I have a super exciting video to film you guys. If you watched my earlier video or a few videos ago, I told you guys I'm going to be getting shoes that are probably my favorite shoes of 2019, even though I haven't seen them live yet. But this is the day that I'm going to be unboxing these. They just arrived in the mail. So yeah, I wanted to do this unboxing live and show you the first impressions and what do I feel about the shoes and everything like that. But with no further ado, let's get unboxing. So these are, I ordered these from StockX, and this is my first time ordering from them. I've sold shoes on StockX, but I've never bought anything from there, so this was my first time. So yeah, first a bit of a story about these shoes. So when the first Instagram photos came about these shoes, I immediately fell in love with these shoes and I had to get these. And then when the release date came and there was a bit of hype with these shoes, or there were a lot of Instagram posts and people were like loving these shoes and stuff, but I didn't feel like these were gonna be that hyped. And yeah, I thought that these wouldn't be that hard to get, but unfortunately these were super hard to get because I tried, I think, in four different websites to get these, and all of my sizes were sold out in like few seconds. I barely even touched the select the size, and they were already gone. So after that, I knew that I will not be getting these for the retail value, so I have to buy them with resale value. And yeah, then I looked at StockX, and at that time I think they were going for around 220 euros, and then for that StockX kind of like, at least they put on like 100 euros with the shipping and authentication and everything like that, so it would have been like 320 euros or something like that. And then, well, I put my bet for 230, I think, after a few days, and then all of a sudden the prices went up, and then I was like, oh my god, I'm never gonna get these shoes. But then I didn't think of that when people order from online, it's gonna take them a while to get them, so the prices are gonna change. And then because there was already like a week gone past and the prices were still up, I hired my price to 250, I think. And then I slept over the night, and all of a sudden I got an email, like when I woke up, I got an email that your shoes have been shipped, or a confirmation of purchase. And I was like, oh no, because, well, even though I bet, or the price that I bet was 250 euros, then the total price that I actually paid for these shoes was 350 euros, around that. So yeah, pretty expensive, since these were 180 on Converse website, but then some of the websites had them for 160 and up till like 200 or something like that. So yeah, I did pay quite a lot for these shoes, but I hope these will be worth it, and the right size and everything, because the sizing was also pretty weird because, well, my Converse that I have, they're size 36, and everywhere I looked they said that size down on these because they fit large, or they fit big. And yeah, so I hope these fit. So usually I'm a size 5, and now this pair is a size 4. And also, you never know, because when you look at the size charts and see like what's EU 36 or 37, and then you convert it to US sizes and UK sizes, and usually Converse are in UK sizes. So yeah, I wasn't really sure what size it is, but we'll see now, and I will try these on and tell you everything about these. But yeah, I'm super excited. So let's get into the unboxing part, and sorry about all the ramble, but yeah. So the box is pretty bright orange, and at the front it says Ambush, and then here at the front it says Converse. And well, yeah, here I have the receipt from StockX, and these are the Converse Chuck Taylor or All-Star 70s High Ambush White. And also these came in 2 colorways. This is the white one, and then they also came in a black colorway, but the black colorway was a different style, so I didn't like that much. And also I'm a fan of white shoes, and white shoes are everything, so yeah. And condition new, 100% authentic, and purchase price was $278.22. Import duties was $91.81, and shipping $16.69, and the authentication is free. So total was $386.73. So that was around 350 euros that I paid for these. So yeah. And then it has this StockX card. And these are so pretty. So yeah, I got these in a size 4, and I think it's a nice detail here at the back. It has the size, and then it says ambush. The box isn't in the best condition. So yeah, here it says the size. It's a UK 4, EU 36.5. So it should be the right size. We'll see how they fit. But yeah, these have the StockX authentication or verification tag. And these come with 2 laces, orange ones, and then white ones. I'm actually not sure which I prefer, but yeah. These shoes are kind of inspired from because Converse, I think, made US military boots like back in the days. So these are kind of inspired by the olden military boots, which is cool. So yeah, the thing that I like about these shoes the most is the material. Like, I live in Finland, and in Finland it rains, and it's like super, like, because I live near Helsinki, it's not really that snowy most of the time, and mostly it's kind of wet and rainy and everything like that. So I would love to wear rain boots, but rain boots are always super ugly or like chunky in a bad way. So yeah, I have a pair of Hunters, which are like heeled rubber boots, but then when I bought them, I was thinking like, yeah, I will wear those a lot because they're different and they don't look like rubber boots. And I don't know what I was thinking, because when would you wear heeled rubber boots? Like when it's raining and like dark and stuff like that, you don't feel like wearing heels. So yeah, I've worn them probably like 3 times or 2 times, and I've had them for a long time. So yeah, this material is like a rubber boot, or these are like rubber boots. So that's like one of the most exciting things, because I can pretty much wear these every single day, all the time, no matter what weather it is, because these will be perfect. And that is so cool, because like, when are you gonna get rubber boots that look like this? Like, never. So yeah, super excited about that. And also I really, really love the chunky heel look that these have. Like, it's just so pretty. And also the color, it's not like, it's kind of off-white, but still it's pretty white. And yeah, all the text details, I will go through them just in a sec, but all the text details and everything, they just look so nice. So I hope these fit good, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of these, I think so. So yeah, but yeah, let's get into the details. So yeah, like I said, at the back here, it says the size, which is a size 4, and then it says ambush. And then here on the inside, it has the All-Star Converse logo. And Then here, let's take the other shoe so you can see better. Here it has some text over here, and the upper one says hold gusset this side only to hold firmly, and then the lower one says keep double laced to hold firmly. So yeah, I don't know if, yeah, that would be cool to wear both of the laces. And then here at the back also it has the Converse All-Star logo like all the Converse have. And yeah, the material is like softish, or like, well, it's rubber boot-ish, but still like super soft, so that's nice. And yeah, overall the look is just amazing. And the bottom is also just like in all Converse. And the same text are on the other shoe as well. But yeah, I think this is all that I have to say about these shoes. I will film details of these shoes and show you in the end, and also I will try these on and show you guys how they look on feet. And yeah, oh yeah, and these in the inside, they are orange from the bottom and it says ambush inside, so nothing that. But yeah, if you want to wear these during the winter, you probably want to double up in socks because these are super thin and rubber boots are pretty cold always. But yeah, I'm super happy about these shoes and I can't wait to wear them. And yeah, I still wanted to include how the shoes fitted because I did try them on and they fit good. They don't fit perfectly because I have pretty like high rise feet, I guess, if you understand what I mean. So the length of the shoe is good, but they are pretty narrow, and like the steepness in a way of my feet is pretty high, so it is kind of like squeezing my foot like this. I don't know if you get what I mean, but yeah. But they do fit good, but these are like narrow legs, so if you have like wider feet, then I guess you should take your normal size. But if you're really tiny, or like if you have narrower feet, then take a size down because the length of these is good, so I feel like the length would be a much bigger in a bigger size. But yeah, I just wanted to include this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!